Welcome, friends, to another adventure on World Travel TV. Today, we journey to a land of breathtaking beauty and profound cultural richness, Pakistan. Buckle up, it's going to be one heck of a ride. Pakistan is a country that defies expectations. It's a place where towering mountains pierce the heavens, where lush valleys bloom in vibrant colors, and where ancient history whispers in the wind. From the soaring peaks of the Karakoram Range to the shimmering deserts of Sindh, Pakistan is a tapestry of wonders waiting to be explored. Our journey takes us through bustling cities and tranquil villages, each with its own unique charm. We'll meet warm, hospitable people, eager to share their stories and traditions. We'll taste the explosion of flavors in Pakistani cuisine, a symphony of spices and aromas that will tantalize your taste buds. So come along and experience the magic of Pakistan, a land where adventure awaits around every corner. Let's dive in. Our first stop takes us to the north, where the mighty Himalayas, Karakoram and Hindu Kush ranges converge in a breathtaking spectacle of nature's raw power. Here, amidst snow-capped peaks and glaciers that glitter like diamonds, lies a paradise for trekkers and mountaineers. Imagine standing at the foot of K2, the world's second highest peak, its summit shrouded in mist, a majestic giant challenging the heavens. The air is thin, the silence profound, broken only by the crunch of your boots on the snow. But the beauty of northern Pakistan is not limited to its towering peaks. Emerald green valleys, fed by rushing rivers, are home to picturesque villages and ancient monasteries. The air is crisp and clean, scented with pine and wildflowers. This is a place to lose yourself in the grandeur of nature, to feel the pulse of the earth beneath your feet, and to breathe in the freedom of the open sky. From the majestic mountains, we descend into the heart of Pakistan, where the Indus River, the lifeblood of the nation, flows through fertile plains. This is the cultural heartland of Pakistan, where ancient cities and vibrant traditions offer a glimpse into the soul of this fascinating country. Lahore, the cultural capital, enchants with its Mughal-era architecture, bustling bazaars, and the warmth of its people. The aroma of spices hangs heavy in the air, and the streets are alive with the sound of music and laughter. Further south, the sprawling metropolis of Karachi, Pakistan's largest city, pulses with a chaotic energy that is both exhilarating and intoxicating. Here, modern skyscrapers rise alongside colonial-era buildings, a testament to the city's rich and complex history. But beyond the urban centers, it is in the villages and small towns that you truly connect with the heart and soul of Pakistan. The people are incredibly hospitable, always ready with a smile and a cup of steaming chai. Pakistan's history stretches back millennia, a crossroads of civilizations and empires. From the ancient Indus Valley civilization to the Mughal Empire, the land bears witness to a rich tapestry of cultures and traditions. The ruins of Mohenjo-daro, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, offer a glimpse into the lives of people who lived over 4,000 years ago. Walking through the well-preserved streets and buildings, you can almost hear the echoes of their footsteps. The Mughal era left an indelible mark on Pakistan, evident in the grandeur of its architecture, the intricate beauty of its gardens, and the exquisite craftsmanship of its textiles. The Badshahi Mosque in Lahore, with its soaring minarets and marble domes, is a testament to the architectural genius of the Mughals. Exploring these historical sites is like stepping back in time, each stone and inscription whispering tales of a glorious past. Pakistan, you have stolen a piece of my heart. This journey has been a whirlwind of breathtaking landscapes, vibrant cultures, and warm hospitality. From the soaring mountains to the bustling cities, Pakistan offers a travel experience unlike any other. Thank you for joining me on this incredible adventure. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the beauty of Pakistan, don't forget to subscribe to World Travel TV and hit that bell icon to stay updated on our latest explorations. Until next time, keep exploring.